Hello. Are you ready to explore the world around you? You have a super scientist kit, your five senses. That's your eyes, ears, nose, mouth, and hands. We can use these senses to learn so much about the things we see and touch every day. Let's say you see a big round red apple. You can use your senses to describe the apple. First, let's talk about size. You can see that the apple is bigger than a grape, but smaller than a basketball. Size tells us how big or small something is. You can use words like big, small, long, short, tall, and tiny to describe size. Imagine a tiny ladybug and a huge elephant. They are very different in size. Next, we can look at the apple's shape. You can see that the apple is almost round like a ball. Shape is what an object looks like. There are many shapes. We see circles, squares, triangles, and even stars. A ball is round, a block is square, and a slice of pizza is often in a triangle. Next, we notice the color. The apple is red. Color is what we see when light bounces off an object. The world is full of colors: red, blue, green, yellow, and so many more, like all the colors of a rainbow. If you hold the apple in your hand, you can feel its texture. Is the apple smooth and shiny, or a little bit bumpy? Texture is how an object feels when we touch it. A pillow is soft, sandpaper is rough, a stone can be smooth, and a cat is furry. Finally, you can feel how hard the apple feels. If you try to squeeze the apple, it's firm, not too squishy. Hardness is kind of like how strong an object is. A rock is very hard, and you can't break it easily. But clay is soft, and you can mold the clay into different shapes. So we use our senses to describe the apple. We talked about its size, shape, color, texture, and hardness. And guess what? You can do this with anything. Now that you know how to describe objects, you can be a super scientist too. Go explore the world around you. What do you discover about the shape, size, color, texture, and hardness of the things you see and touch? Have fun exploring. Thank you for watching.